What is the bottom line as to why it takes so long for an executor or an administrator to close a probate estate? And when can the executor or the administrator distribute the assets to the heirs or beneficiaries? Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. When you are anticipating an inheritance, you get excited and anxious at the same time. You are wondering how much money to expect. You are wondering when the administrator or the executor will be distributing that money. If you understand the process, you'll clearly understand what questions that you could ask the executor or the administrator so you can anticipate when they will distribute the assets. Understand that the executor is settling the deceased person's estate, which in a nutshell means they are paying any outstanding legitimate debts or bills and paying any outstanding or necessary taxes related to that estate. After all of that is done, then the executor is in the position where they can distribute the assets to the heirs and beneficiaries. Here in the state of California, a personal representative is expected to have a probate estate prepared to close within 1 year of being granted authority over the probate estate. If the personal representative believes they will need more time, they could file an extension of time request with the probate court. In my personal opinion, it will be a wise decision for heirs and beneficiaries to maintain an open line of communication so they can know what to expect and when to expect the estate will be distributed. Question of the day: have you been an heir or a beneficiary of a probate estate? If so, how long did it take the personal representative to close that estate and distribute the assets to the heirs or beneficiaries? Let us know in the comments below. So, when can executors and administrators distribute assets of the estate? Once the executor or administrators know that there is enough funds to cover all of the debts and the taxes related to the estate, and the time for creditors to file all of their claims against the estate has expired. Once that has happened, you're not far from receiving your inheritance. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need an attorney for probate or estate planning who's here in the Southern California area, feel free to reach out to me for a referral.